finally we are leaving for Trivandrum. Akoigi ngasi Rameshwar ki trip se sila loisalani ko. I am harawe di because Ramatha Swami temple Rameshwar ki khwaidagi important temple adu darshan tawba phange aduga I always wanted to see this floating stone ko. Thaina Ramna Lanka chapai gi matamda stone mai gi sagi nung myam da ko Ram maming iraga Hujibu tao na lady haba stone do. I said do kay haini yam yingjaning ba niya ko. Ay ngasi adu uba pangye. I wish I could share with you guys how it looks. But then again, don't worry, Google da loina pangye ko. Google lai ba din ako. Adu ay di to yingure ngasi adu ka like I'm really happy. Expect a rude ngasi final trip ta talaga temple darshan su phangurani aduga floating stone su yenguni edoko. But then again
Kanyakumari.
Oh my god, now he's saying Kanyakumari. I have no idea what we are doing. Trivandrum cha kani have mas of the Kanyakumari thi lai re. Anyway, you know ba ngasi ki temple visit ta ko kwai nong have experience ama hai ge ko ai na queue da lep ba darshan to ba gi adu da ne maitei sing lairame ba ima hoi ko babung hoi mayam da moi se phane ka chanon ga thela ga lairame ada moi u ba da ko ai se tum hange ba maitei ro na ko ada even they were very happy to see me maitei thinga ba se ko ma palam da yam nungai aduda kento we moi su darshan duraga thok ba aina darshan tawriba ada khoi se mapal thok pa da ong thingnari ada imam am leirame ada wai sanare moina kai wai dagi no na ko ai su kinu dagi ne na ai budi imphal dagi ne yashku dagi ne na aduga inu pana silchar dagi ne na ko luhong da ngai ri na so even they were very happy they blessed us congratulated re khoi da moi su kento we akhoi manipur ya halsing mayam Vrindavan trip chappa tawbado gari ga tawraga manipur dagi mu thodarak bane na gari tawraga moi su mi yame kun thara like 20-25 something like that ada moi mayam ubadam nungai ai se photo man namning bani ko I wanted to share seriously a pic with them in this video but kina tawba ai phone se locker thamamba somda ko mafam se manda ba moi na to east side oi ba side temple ko na west side so I couldn't take a pic with them ada moi su hujik si trip si Rameshwaram darshan loiraga moi su Kanyakumari haida doine na so can you just imagine they travel down from Manipur to Kanyakumari so road trips in moise tori neba it's just that we are technologically advanced and we are sharing this video moina haloi bagi share tok da bani but you know even they are doing the road trip so that's a big deal ayam nungai unawasi mayam se akoi hujik Trivandrum chatira Kanyakumari chatira I hungry adum harake imafam do according to the yora ga matam nai ji kai chatoi no se ko it just मुझे क्या तारे 10:40 तारे को point थोड़ी से now let's see where this road leads us to as मफहम से जामने पक्का जामा नहीं Trivandrum se Kanyakumari dagi kilometer 94-95 mukni aduna lambi de so taya pataba Kanyakumari se aduna koi ken ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦꯅ ꯀꯟꯌꯥꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯁꯦꯅ ꯅꯪꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ and there's a hotel ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ stop ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯦ coffee tea ꯊꯛꯄꯒꯤ folder of your heart or your brain, wherever the folder has been created by you. But the view is really beautiful. It's 4 and we have reached Kanyakumari, I believe. Exactly because 10 kilometer to Bui whenever.
Now it's 3.2 kilometer.
Yeah, 3.2 kilometer according to my husband. So, according to my husband, kinda. It's the first time I'm referring to him as my husband. Nothing over. Europe to Kanyakumari, Yengaga, Tunako. When it one hour, we'll wrap up and then head for Trivandrum. The southernmost tip of India. It's 4:30. Ako Kanyakumari se kung mari de yawani ko. So mari makai tare. Now we are leaving. We just spent half an hour here. Thun thun na ying thoga ying mo kai kai no lo ko. Atum jaga se pi yam an chau banate. My main sightseeing yam se ko. So we are heading for Trivandrum, our final destination. Sidagi 95 km mulapi Kanyakumari degi Trivandrum se. Now let's see at what time we'll reach home. It's 4:30 now, as I already mentioned. I hope by 7 p.m. or something I reach home, my new home. Destination Trivandrum se so it's the 13th day of this road trip. Kasi naro iba namit ni last day ni. The overall journey has been very memorable. Road trip se this is not the first time we are doing road trip. Road trip se kun ha to tau khre. Aha madana Delhi to Baroda to hibani ko. From there we started loving this road trip. Aduga handak sina luhungo raganda dagi Silchar dagi yung dagi directly Trivandrum tatsena Sinbani Nanse, and the journey has been really memorable. It's epic. So I'll just tell you guys how hum akoy kai da akoy kham banu kai di banu se ko akoy Silchar dagi start rate 28th December da, and then from there we went to Guwahati da koi halt aure akoy yumda. Then Guwahati dagi we went to Bagdogra no my halt aure Bagdogra di akoy Barakpur chale. Barakpur da we celebrated New Year there. Then from Barakpur we headed to Bhubaneswar da laire. Bhubaneswar dagi akoy Visakhapatnam da thaudare ko aduda le noma Visakhapatnam so koidure. Then from there we imanba ma nikhil na ko suggest ore na kina to na chalu jona Rameshwaram ko chalu lo yengo na ko aduna akoi se kina to bani Puducherry Puducherry su imam amna suggest tawrapani ko Sharatna Visakhapatnam dagi hoise Puducherry chalure Puducherry dagi yangu and from Puducherry I started this video semba YouTube thagatpa ai sumaina YouTube ta thagat kani khod kani ai em ta plan like ko this all started in this trip and si trip si yam nungai bagi ko mayam da share tawning bagi semjabani for my own kay haini satisfaction. Yeah, he's helping me out with the correct word. Then from Puducherry we went to Rameshwaram dagi ngasi tuapani and again the when Trivandrum Chatsena and on the way we decided that we should go to Kanyakumari as well. Kanyakumari da koi bhi pati natte just touched the rubani ka adudi the overall trip ke handagi no se ai itinerary se share to zare mayam se ka ai hoji no to we Manipur yang sangi like seriously nungai ti the station yorakanda ko so sire yung sang e ko mapalda lai base amaromda nung sunungai ko amaromda yung sibusi yawi isagi thau pan ban na sila tabak sina palay mo ani but kang lipak se am nung si isagi malamdam se nung si Jay mapalay ram na ko isagi states ako represent ay ni ko so kaya tao ni isagi tradition culture values mayam se ko kaya hani wang at hangalaga aduga kaya na ba se ako na surak pahay se ko state su mahaputak to niya ba so I'll make sure that I don't do any such thing which will bring bad name to our culture, to our society, to our state. I just hope is phazana ko sita tum laiba yek takai ba